Match pa kayo. Eto si Palma. Maganda to. O sige, tabes to. Okay to. Pinira.
Yeah, what the? Challenge me, I will read your mind. Nah, you ain't gonna challenge me, broski. You ain't gonna challenge me. You should count. Wait, let's think of. John, my best friend. Is your character male? Probably. Wait, oops. Wait. How to reset?
You run out of life. I want it now. The doubly hit stop.
Stop this
Do
freaking
not wait for hours.
Let me
Just
just. This game is whatever.
Boss, nasa house.
Okay,
Get them paralyzed man.
Say. Ah! Stop tickling me! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Dito na kayo
Stop!
dumating.
Stop! Ah! Stop! Ito.
Bata.
Asan ang cellphone ko sa'yo?
I don't know. Say.
Yung sound.
Ayo.
Pakis mama din.
Wait, let's just ma'am a bunch of questions.
Ano si mama na?
Look, roll does deep in the mouth. So let's just do the math.
Hindi na ako sa bibig.
Ano siya mata? Meron. No! Dogs are affected. Kaya mo yan? Kung kaya eh. Salesman. Wait, let's put it in the middle.
Kung balik kayo parehas, kung babawain na kayo.
Easy, bro.
Balik ka na next.
Oops. Yeah, let's just put this up.
Kaya para mo Diyos gusto mo. Yan paralyzed.
Meron pa.
Gusto mo rin nakasama, singil mo rin ako pamasahe.
Ah,
Siyempre, panggas yun. Punggas.
wait. Tama, hindi na
Para mo
tayo
naman nakabot ng isang litro yung tatakbuhin ng palengke. Punta ka palengke. Grabe ka naman.
We completed it. Now let's get out the oven. Now. No, it's John, dummy. Yes, yes. Mr. Carter. Yes, yes. No, bro's my best friend. Your best friend? Yeah. Bro is 12. Bro is 12. No. Mata? Yes. No. May kamay siya? Maybe? May kamay?
Tama sa ilong ni Bunchay. Tama sa ilong ni Bunchay.
May mata. Ha? You currently in a relationship with your character? Is your character young? I don't know. I smile. Yes! That's what with your best friend. I don't like bad stuff. Yes! Yes.
Excuse me.
Lieutenant John. Yes. I'm Sergeant Beltran.
Hello.
I'm the one assigned to assist you. This way, please.
We have
Sino ba yan?
Sino I don't know, bro.
Yung lalaki ba? Soto yan, di ba?
Jawang ang pangalan niya.
Si Jalaster yan.
I don't know.
Soto yan, di ba?
Just a name Rose. No! Yes, I saw her.
Pero mas maliit to.
I don't know.
Na. Ganito gusto ko. Walang nakukan. Sa ilang silver na ako dyan.
Kasi ano yung katulad kay Sandra.
Yung tigi-isa wala na.
Direction.
Katulad kay Sandra.
I don't know. I don't know what that means. Something like a ship. No! Bro has never told me. Think of faces.
Pagol lang yun. Di mo
Yes. No.
Hindi naman nagsasapo ng tayo.
Yes.
Hindi ko nagsasapo ng tayo.
I don't know.
Oh, ba't ba ganun kami?
No. No, she's my sister. Yes. Yes. Probably.
Copy. Yes, copy.
No. Yes. I think she's guessing it. No. She's just a baby.
Makabagsak eh.
Who's not a man? Probably.
Ba't nagtatanong?
No.
Ba't nagtatanong ko kung kumain na kami? Ang ulam tayo.
Watch movies from all over the world. Sound, plus,
Buti hindi nagsagot ng tayo.
Sandra.
Baho niyan. Huwag mo yan kunin. Amuyin mo. Baho niyan.
Suot mo dara.
Pamunod mo sa sekunda, Dra.
That's
Tignan mo na doon si Big Boy kung naka, ano na, labas na. Labas mo na yung gamoy, patong mo kumakain.
Tara, suot mo
Hindi
dara.
ba? Sabay, nalagay ng lutuan ko.
I think this is house.
no.
Nalagay ng lutuan ko. Kuha ka ng santing
Pero
patatang.
Brad. Diyan ba nakatira sa Amparo, Lagman?
yeah.
Nag-addict lang kasi
Tapos
kasi yan.
balatan mo. Beta mo, 5.
Unbelievable!
Alam mo, yung isang babae, palagi mo asawa eh.
Ako mahala rito. Alalay lang kayo. Oo, sige.
Tito. Tito yan na, Tito. Paano?
Yung lang siya naman nakalim, pinagka siya ni Papa sa malalim.
Wait, yo, wait. Tita Lexa! Tita Lexa!
Sa ilalim niya.
Tita Lexa! Tita Lexa! Sabi daw ni Sandra kahapon kasi ano eh, nai-swimming kayo.
So, swimming tayo.
Sige,
Hindi mo mama sa
mapwede? Mapwede ako? Mapwede ako mag-swimming? Ma, Kaya mag-swimming. Kay Tita Lexa tsaka yung mga niya.
Saan kayo mag-swimming?
Kulog. Sa ilog. Sige, sige, sige. Please, please.
Matag.
Sabi.
Say, gising. Uy, wala ka na.
Uy!
Pengen pag-ambag.
Helicopter! And, yo, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe. Bye! Wait, how to stop again? Alright, we have to go to here and boom. Yo, bye.